Hey folks, time to do a retro CSS battle. This is a battle from August of 2024. This is August 14th. Today I'm feeling inspired to do this with the nested template. So this is we're using the HTML and the body tags, which are implicitly there. They're not in this code block and they're not counted against me, but they exist. They exist in every HTML page that I can think of. All right, so let's put the background of this red on there and see if we can get a margin values that will create this circle. The first part of this is going to be this circle. So 50, 40, 42, 42 and 50, 70, 80, 90, 92. Okay, if I've got that and I do a border radius on the body tag at 50%, do I get that circle? I think I do. All right, and my approach is I would like to do a clip path on this body. I don't know if I can do this. I'm not sure. I got the border radius and a clip path, and so let's try for that. So clip path is a polygon, and the upper corner is 0, 0. The upper right corner is 100% 0. We're going to go down to 100%, 100% over, 100% down, and then that's working. That's really a great sign. And then we need to come to this point, this point, this point, this point, and then probably over and up. So we need to add several more points. So can we do it? So this is the question: is this actually even a smart way to do this? Maybe it's not. Okay, so, but let's figure it out. I think my next step is to try, and I'll go down to this. I need a point between, but I'm going to do the point down here, 0%, and then I'm going to choose two totally arbitrary and wrong numbers, just so I have the point. There it is. So we need to move that over. 120, 30, 40, and then down 100, 145, 105, 106, 107, 144, 143. Okay, and then this last number, I kind of want to, probably the smart money is to go 0 and then down some amount, 80 pixels. Actually I want 100%, something like that. That's what I want. 200 down, 180, 1, 2, 3, 170. Yeah, there we go. So that's conceptually, we're kind of in the zone there. All right, and I'm going to use all pixels here just to keep my mind right and keep straight all the different points. All right, so if we're at that point, then we're at, I think that's in the, well, it's probably not enough. So let's do 120 pixels over, and then a little lower, 120 pixels. And then let's create points for all these. We'll do 60 pixels over and 100 pixels down. And that's too low. 90, 80, 65. And then let's do 0 and then lower. Lower is 140. Okay. So that's what we've got so far. Kind of janky. Pretty darn janky, really. But let's see if we can smooth these out. The middle numbers might be the most interesting place because we're using pixels and we're not changing the relative size of things. just adjusting 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That looks pretty good. And then this one, 4. Eight. And then let's do this one. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. That looks pretty good. And then this one a little lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Still a little little rocky there. And then let's take a break for the clip path and let's do a radial gradient. Radial gradient at 75%, 30%, and it's a circle. This black color, and it's like 5 pixels, teeny tiny, and then red. No extra commas are allowed. There we go. Okay, so it's not teeny tiny. How about 10 pixels? And then that number is no good. How about 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, and then 29, 26, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Not quite right. 40. That's pretty good. 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 3. All right. Let's submit that and see how wrong or right we might be. That's 99.9%, and that's with these little edges, that's probably as good as we're going to get. At this point, we got to evaluate, is this clip path really the right way if we can do 2 conic gradients? And have mathematical precision on those right angles? This is maybe not the way to go. All right, so so we'll create a variable that's the gradient, and it's a conic gradient, and it's from 90 and then 45, so 135 degrees, and then it's this black color to cover. Black color cover, yes, correct? Yes, and then it's 25% or 90 degrees, and then transparent. And then if I add that as a var g and a comma, that's what I get. So I just need 2 of these in the right location, and that's way easier than all that clip path nonsense. I was hopeful about the clip path, but clearly it's too many points to really have fun with. So, okay. And then we're seeing that repeats, aren't we? Well, that's kind of fun. Okay, so. So that's our background position, and we need a repeat X so that we don't repeat. All right. So vertically we need to go up. Oh, and it's worse than that, isn't it? 2. So here's actually, you know what might be. So we're gonna have to screw around with this repeat business. But if we're moving them all down, can we do an at value at 50% 0. If we got to move it around, so and then we do a repeat X. And then we move down. Okay, I think we've got the way forward. So we do -10, 20, 30, and then down. That's not bad. There we go. 31. Okay. And then we'll do another one, which is a little further over and a little further down. So 100 down, and then 40, 42, and then further down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a little further over, 43, and then a little further down. And let's submit that. Are we at 100%? So this is a pretty good solution for this. Again, I was really hopeful about the ClickPath. Oh no, we're 99.9%. We're not there yet. Not there yet, unfortunately. All right. That might be a little better. So now this is the numbers game. It's a little hard to see what improvements I'm making, and so it becomes a lot trickier. There we go. So that's 100% match. And we can minify and unit replace. I don't think there's any units that are usably replaceable. And then we resubmit, and then we're done. We've created that shape. And that's a new high score. So that's great. Just one today. Really enjoyed this one. The next one in the series is one that I've not gotten 100% on ever before, but I'm looking forward to trying, even though it might be painful. All right. So this is August 14th, 2024, Retro CSS Battle. Hope you're having a great day. Write some HTML and CSS today. It's not as tricky and hard as this. You can make a page and share yourself and share your story and send it to your friend. Everybody's carrying around web browsers. That's what phones are. They got web browsers on them. All right. Take care. Bye.